Ralph, thank you very much. And you can see Prince William and Kate Middleton's first interview as an engaged couple on The One Show here on BBC One and also on the BBC News channel at 7 o'clock tonight. And then later this evening, I'll be back with a special programme, William and Kate, a royal engagement. That's at 7:30 on BBC Two. Right now, though, let's have a look at the weather with Susan Powell.
Thanks, Sophie. Well, it's been a pretty chilly day across the southeast of England and the fog was slow to clear, but I think that announcement probably brought out the sunshine for many. Tonight, though, if today's been all about the mist and the fog, it's turning into the wind and the rain. That's our major focus. And as the cloud piles in along with the wind and the rain overnight tonight, the mist and fog will be something we're not concerned with first thing tomorrow. But for South Wales and the southwest of England, torrential downpours and gale force winds will make for a rough start to the day. Further east, still a chance of a patchy frost first thing on Wednesday. As the day goes on, though, any of that will lift as the cloud comes ploughing across, bringing the rain along with it and that fairly keen wind as well. For Scotland, not just rain but snow too across the hills of the Highlands and the Grampians. Some potentially heavy downpours here for a while. The front itself, though, does start to fizzle out a little bit as it pushes further eastward, so perhaps the rain a bit lighter across northern England and the Midlands, and some easternmost counties of England could stay largely dry until dusk. Quite heavy rain, though, across Hampshire and the Isle of Wight through the middle of the afternoon. After those downpours to start the day, though, what an improvement for the southwest and western Wales come the afternoon. The sun comes out behind the rain and temperatures in double figures, warmer than it has been so far this week, thanks to the southwesterly wind. And for Northern Ireland, after a grey and wet start here too, we should see some glimmers of brightness. As for our weather front, well, that makes its way right the way across the UK through Wednesday night, and by Thursday it's actually sitting out in the North Sea. We do, though, still keep the low to the west of the UK. Still some fairly tight isobars. That means it'll stay pretty windy for Scotland, Western England, Wales and Western Scotland, with a chance of some showers. Eastern areas generally looking clearer and brighter. And I think some finer prospects as we end the week as well, but still staying rather chilly. But for now, it's a wet and windy story. Back to you, Sophie.
Thank you very much. A reminder of tonight's main news. There'll be a royal wedding next year as Prince William